Hey guys, today we are going to discuss the overview of the subject Geotechnical Engineering, that is from 3rd Sem Civil Engineering. Myself, Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati from Civil Department, MGT College, Navsari. Now let's start the discussion with the teaching scheme. As per the GTU, there are 4 lectures and 1 practical of 2 hours in a week, and total credit of the subject is 5. Talking about the modules, there are 7 modules in the subject. The first module, that is types of soil, index properties, interrelationships and soil characterization. Total hours allotted for this module is 10. Then second one, that is permeability and seepage. Total 5 hours are allotted for this module. Third one, that is compaction and consolidation of soil. Total 9 hours are allotted for this module. Then fourth one, that is stress distribution. Total 5 hours are allotted for this one. The next, that is shear strength of soil. Total 8 hours are allotted for this one. Then next one, that is earth pressure and stability of slopes. Total 9 hours are allotted for this one. And last one, that is introduction to foundation and bearing capacity. Total 10 hours are allotted for this one. Now let's discuss each and every module in detail, starting with the first one, types of soil, index properties, interrelationships and soil characterization. In this one we will study the topics like types of soil and soil formation, geological cycle, phase diagram, basic terms, functional relationships based on index properties, physical characterization of soil. In that one we will study dry and wet sieve analysis. Then Atterbuck's indices, soil structures, soil water and its types, standard nomenclature and IS soil classification, numericals and lab and field tests. Then second module, that is permeability and seepage. In this one we will study the topics like Darcy's law and its validity, factors affecting permeability, laboratory permeability test, permeability of stratified soil masses, seepage pressure, quick condition and flow nets. Then talking about the third module, that is compaction and consolidation of soil. In this one we will study the different definitions, then differentiate between compaction and consolidation, compaction mechanism and Proctor test, field compaction methods, then factors affecting compaction, consolidation mechanism through spring analogy, then fundamental definitions, then Tezagi's one-dimensional consolidation theory, time factor, pre-consolidated pressure and consolidation settlement and numericals. Then fourth module, that is stress distribution. In this one we will study the topics like causes of stress in soil, then Buzanek's and Westergaard's equation, pressure bulb, stress distribution on horizontal and vertical planes, stress due to different shapes of footing, then Newmark's influence chart and numericals. Then fifth module, that is shear strength of soil. In this one we will study topics like Moore's strength theory, then Moore-Coulomb's strength theory, modified Moore-Coulomb's theory, then shear parameters through lab and field test based on the drainage condition and numericals. Then sixth module, that is earth pressure and stability of slopes. In this one we will study the topics like types of lateral earth pressure, Rankins and Coulomb's earth pressure, Ribben's and Kuhlmann's graphical methods, then infinite and finite slopes, factor of safety, types of soil failure, limit equilibrium methods, C analysis method, C analysis, in that one method of slices, Taylor stability number and numericals. And the last module, that is seventh, that is introduction to foundation and bearing capacity. In this one we will study shallow foundation and its type, basic terms, SPC computation using the IS and Tezagi's method, SPC, that is soil bearing capacity, deep foundations, pile and pile capacity and numericals. And these are the list of experiments we will conduct during the semester in this subject. The practicals are in situ density test, sieve analysis, Atterbuck's limit test, permeability test, Proctor compaction test, consolidation oedometer test, direct box shear test, unconfined compression test, then triaxial compression test, laboratory vane shear test, SPT, that is standard Proctor test, and CBR test, California bearing ratio test. Okay, so these are the contents we will study during the semester in these subjects. Hope you guys get all the content. Okay, thank you.